Hi, teachers. My name is Huân Thị Duyên. My number is 3905. My house number is 202. Today, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to teacher Trần Thanh Toàn and all respect teacher in the Wish on Nijin team. Since joining WIT, my life has been truly transformed. I have become more confident, independent, and mature across four key areas: inner self, health, relationship, and finances. My family now is more harmonious and happy. And with the lost philosophy of education uh, is I can bring it to help the people towards highest up the level of maturity as through 7 dimensions of holistic wealth. First, wealth of wisdom and wealth of meditation, wealth of characters, wealth of righteous, wealth of competence, wealth of physics, and wealth of material. Thankfully for all teachers,